Okay, so it's day 2 in Panama, and we're doing a quick video to show my outfit and what we're getting up to. So we are going to Michael's for brunch, and then we probably go and see the town. I know we have the Gold Museum here, the Bio Museum that we want to see, and what else? And a few other stuff. So let's see what we can get up to today. We got up really late, so we're starting at brunch time, right? But anyways, let me show you my outfit. Earrings are Kate Spade, necklace Coach, top Rags and Bones, and it's through Saks, Fifth Avenue. And then the shorts are, let me step back. Ooh, the lighting is a bit wild. Tap in. Okay, so the lighting keep on getting wild. Slowly step back. So the shorts are from Target. They're really nice. They're like a linen blend. And the shoes I'm wearing are like H&M, and they're really comfortable. They're like leather, I believe. Yeah, the sole is leather. The bag is from Coach, and I look really cute. The top is kind of like a belly skin, so it runs a bit short. But here's what it's looking. Oh my god, my back is all wrinkly. Let me fix that real quick. But this is how the lighting went a bit bright. Okay, so this is how the back looks. And then the lighting go bright again. Oh my gosh. Slowly. And this is how the back is looking. It looks really cute. I think I look really, really cute. Alright, let's go and see the town. Bye.